Happy Sunday, guys. I hope you had a wonderful weekend and welcome back to my channel. I had my hair down, but I just did a fast walk and I was just sweating, and that was like 10 minutes ago. So I threw it up. So sorry if it looks a bit messy and disheveled, but yeah, whatever. I wasn't sure if I was going to make a video about this, but I decided to because I really like them, and I like to make videos when I have an entire collection, or I may really like one thing of it. But I purchased the KKW cream lipsticks and I bought two, so I didn't buy all seven. And so I was like, well, I didn't buy all seven, so let me not make a video about it. But I really love them. I love the colors, and my husband loved the colors, which you guys know my husband does not like red, darker, deep colors on me. He prefers the natural, neutral tones, which I really like nude lipsticks, but I also love red. The darker colors, I'm still getting used to and having fun playing around with that. But yeah, I thought I'd tell you guys about these just because I really like them and I like the formula. So I hurried up and took it off because I've been wearing it. And they came in these. They're plastic and they're clear. It's cute. And in her matte pink look. But nothing too fancy or anything of that nature. But let me tell you what they do according to her website. The nude lipstick shades contrast beautifully against the liners, adding dimension and shape to the lips. Created with lip quenching oils and extracts, the formula is creamy. It's definitely creamy, guys. And luxurious, allowing for a smooth glide upon application. Yes, some lipsticks where it's so hard to put it on, but those are mainly matte lipsticks. And this isn't matte. This is supposed to be a creamy texture. But I like the texture. Hugging the lips for the most comfortable wear. I got them in number 3 and 4. 3 nude is mid-tone terracotta, and 4 is tone cool nude. So I really love both of them, and I'm going to try them on for you. But again, these are creamy lipsticks. They're not supposed to be long lasting, but they feel really great. So let me stop wasting time and let's put them on. Oh, how many ounces do you get? Get 0.14 ounces, and this is number 3. So let me show you the differences between number 3 and number 4. Aren't huge, but big enough. When you see them on me, you'll know what I mean. But yeah, you get a lot. It's a regular lipstick. And let me start off with the 3. Yes, I happen to have her palette here because that's what I have on my eyes right now. And let's put this on. You guys know I'm not a lip liner fan, so I don't really wear lip liner. I like being able just to put lipstick on. But those of you who like lip liner, go ahead and put the lip liner on as well. But you can just see the difference. It goes on really smooth. Yeah, it's just beautiful. I really love it. Yeah, and it's very creamy and soft, and it's a bit moisturizing. It's nice. Yeah. And I really like the color. It's really pretty. Okay, let's go to the next one. Well, I guess I can do this too. But you guys know let's go further down this time because I sometimes just go. But I'll be buying more of her lipsticks because I really like this. And that's how it looks on my arm. Okay, let's take this off. I have some beans cooking right now. So I think they're boiling. I need to turn them down. I'm making some tacos tonight. No, not vegan tacos, but I made fresh beans once with the tacos and rice. My husband goes, "Oh, this is great. I can't have tacos without the fresh beans anymore." What? Which I'm okay with. I'm glad that he liked the fresh beans. So, yes. Anyway, back on topic. This is the next one. This is number 4. Yeah, it goes on so easily. That's just a pretty nude. It's beautiful. Look how it, the reason I love this is because it's hitting the contours of my lips. Like, it's not, yes, it's accentuating the contours of my lips. I really love it. It's beautiful. Here is this. Get one. Yeah. So you guys can kind of know what these two look like on your skin tone. I wasn't going for darker ones, just because, yes, of course, my husband doesn't like darker tones, but I think I may try the 5 and 6 just because I really love these two, and the 5 and 6 may not be too deep. But yeah, that's beautiful. I love that. That's beautiful. Yeah. So yeah, I hope this helped you a bit to kind of see what they look like. And this was a really quick video. That's why I didn't plan on really doing this one. I really love them. These are amazing. And yeah, I really like them. So yes, have a happy Sunday, even though Westworld is over with. Can we just talk about how, yeah, what is happening? I don't know, but I'm ready for next season of Westworld, even though it's probably going to be another year. But that finale was crazy. So, yeah. Anyway, I will see you guys in my next video, and enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and hopefully it's restful. Bye.